Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So, 4 months by actress Gcina Mkhize cries for help as she faces eviction and unemployment. After 2015, she wasn't getting enough acting gigs, and the house that she was paying bond for was sold out. And the person that bought it offered to rent it out to her, and she failed to pay that person, and that person now is now forcing her to move out. The person has disconnected electricity, water, and also destroyed the windows. Now she's asking from Gayton help and also South Africa at large. So she's saying, I want you to listen to this video that she made.
Sanibonani Mzansi, njengoba nibona nje ngilale kunjena. I-safety yami yabantu abami is compromised. I lay awake ngizibuza ukuthi kungenzakalani ebusuku, because anyone can just step into my room enze the way afuna ngakhona. Ngidinga usizo Mzansi, ngidinga usizo lwenu nombani ongasiza ngosizo lomthetho. Namanje i-supply yethu electricity has been cut off by this guy. Asikhona ukurecharge asebenzisa prepaid. We need to be connected to the outside world. Ama-resources nje awekho, usizo lomthetho siyalidinga. Sidinga ukudla, I'm a single mom, ngibamba abantwana ngamazinyo. Kunzima, angizuphuma kuleli room ngoba into azama ukuyenza uTevin Mashila i-constructive eviction, angizukumvumela. Mela enkantolo alandela iprocess yakhona, nami ngithola i-chance yokuzikhulumela nenkantolo ngichaze udaba lwami nalethu. Ngiyanicela Mzansi, ngicela ningisize. Uhulumeni, ama-political parties wonke, noma ngabe ubani, ama-individual, noma ngabe ubani ongasiza, ngicela nisisize nabantwana. Kunzima. Sengile artist-ke elingasaqasheki, angazi ukuthi why ngingawathola amagigi, bayazi abayiphethe industry ukuthi why. Angina income, kunzima. Noma ngithi ngiyazama ukuhlanganisa, angazi akuhlanganiseki. uTevin wangena lana bakhipha into zami, all my beads and all the materials engisebenzisayo to make jewelry nama-crafts za end up zise-dustbinini, yet pick it up. Ngabona kamuva ukuthi lezi zinto zami zonke zilahliwe. Bafowethu, kuningi. Mina nabantu abami siya-victimizwa la, siharaswe on a daily. I-SAPS ayenzi lutho. I've been to i-Boysens Magistrate Court, abakangenzeli lutho. Angisazi ngenze izolo kube worse. I-security company engiyibhadalayo ngithe mangiyibiza ukuthi izongivikela kungademolishwa ubondwa lwekamera lami ngiyiphakathi, yasayida nalo muntu ngoba usheshe wakhipha amaphepha ukuthi indlu uyithengile. They were not willing to enter.
I don't know what you guys think about this situation, but at the end of the day, the person who bought this property deserves to get something out of it. And she's not entitled. She can call whoever she likes, but at the end of the day, she needs to move out of that property. And it's high time, I think actors need to be told that their job is not guaranteed. They need to make hay whilst the sun is still shining. Whilst she was still getting gigs, that's when she was supposed to buy property and acquire things. We see her trying. She has been trying YouTube channel, and I think at some point it failed. Consistent. She's not doing what she's supposed to do. She's not being consistent. She's not putting herself out there. We even forgot that she has existed at some point. I'm even surprised she's still there, out there. So I don't know what you guys think about this situation, but this is not the first time. I think every now and again we are seeing musicians, we're seeing actors suffering and whatever. I think they should have a backup plan. I don't know what you